Good day to all. This is Amrithalingam Madhu. Today's topic is Southeast Corner Vastu Sastram. What is meant by Southeast Corner? South and East junction, which is called Southeast Corner. How to find out a Southeast Corner? Please buy one magnetic compass from stationery store. You can check in your house what is the direction. Then you can find out which is the southeast corner. Southeast corner related to fire element. Southeast corner, it is related to ladies' health, wealth, financial, etc. Today we will cover three topics. Point number 1, what shall come in a southeast corner? Point number 2, southeast corner Vastu dosas, means Vastu defects. Point number 3, problems caused by southeast corner Vastu defects. What shall come in a southeast corner? We already said southeast is related to fire element. All related fire elements can come in a southeast corner. Point number 1, southeast we can keep external staircase, but we should not keep a toilet below the staircase. Point number 2, southeast corner should be 90-degree, mother wall as well as compound wall. Many people are making mistake or misunderstanding. Northeast should be extended. They are making extended. Because of that, southeast is cutted or extended, which is not correct. It should be 90-degree. Point number 3, southeast we can keep a kitchen. Point number 4, southeast we can keep a storeroom. For example, if you are keeping southeast as kitchen, in that kitchen you can keep a storeroom at southwest. Point number 5, southeast we can keep a puja room. Puja room should be towards east. God photo should be facing towards east. Point number 6, southeast we can keep a dining room. Point number 7, southeast we can keep a main door, southeast south. Point number 8, southeast we can keep a car portico, southeast east or southeast south. Point number 9, electrical related things like meter box, transformer, electrical panel, we can keep it at southeast corner. If you are keeping a solar panel, you can keep it at terrace. A solar panel we can keep it in the southeast corner. So these are all the things we can keep it in southeast corner. So what are all the Vastu defects in a southeast corner? Point number 1, septic tank in a southeast corner. Point number 2, septic tank in a east center, that is also Vastu defect. Point number 3, well, bore well, septic tank and copper gas. So these related things. We should not keep anything related to fire. It's a very simple. If you keep related to fire, it will directly affect ladies in your family. Point number 4, southeast we should not keep a toilet and bathroom. Point number 5, southeast internal staircase, which is also not correct. Point number 6, southeast extended or southeast is cut, which is also non-compliance of Vastu rules. Point number 7, overhead tank in a southeast corner. Point number 8, southeast east T junction. Point number 9, southeast for example high ceiling or low ceiling, which is also not correct. And point number 9, southeast bedroom, which is also not correct. Point number 10, southeast portico with pillar. These are all the Vastu defects. So in case these kind of issues, for example, if it is a well, bore well, septic tank in a southeast corner, what will happen? Especially the uterus issue baby related, there is a delay in marriage, the delay in a baby, and it is a health, hemoglobin, thyroid, and if it is blood cells count less. So these kind of problems happen for ladies, especially ladies will have high blood pressure and depression. It is related to happen having a thought of suicide kind of things. So very very careful when you construct a house. Better to take a vastu consultation before constructing the house, or if it is anything is mistake, please rectify that mistake, especially to protect ladies in your family, because southeast is completely related to ladies. It is related to health, it's related to mind, because mind is everything, what we think we become. So please be careful when you construct a house, and especially southeast, don't make such mistake that it will create a lot of trouble for ladies. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.